Everyone loves tandoori chicken. But today, let's make tandoori fish. Spicy, smoky, juicy, everything you love about tandoori. But this time, it's fish. For the marinade, start by crushing fresh garlic to make a paste. Then take a large fillet of fish, about 350 grams, cut into 2 pieces. Add 1 tablespoon of yogurt, half tablespoon of mustard oil, which is about 7 grams, 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili, 1 teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder, just a pinch of turmeric and half teaspoon salt or to taste, and crushed garlic. Mix into a smooth paste and coat the fish evenly with a spatula. Let it rest in the fridge for 30 minutes. I've lost 27 kilos, that's 59 pounds, just by tracking my meals and workouts every week. And now I've become a protein chef by developing easy and high protein recipes just like this tandoori fish. If you want more simple and delicious high protein recipes, go through my videos and don't forget to subscribe. Now heat a cast iron or non-stick pan, brush with just 3 ml of mustard oil, and when it's hot, place the fish. Cook for 90 seconds each side. Flip, and after 90 seconds, turn off the heat. Cover and let it steam in its own juices for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, let's slice some onions and prepare green chutney, because no Indian barbecue is complete without it. In a blender, add 1/3 cup curd, about 20 grams, 15 grams fresh coriander leaves, 3 cloves garlic, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, juice of half a lemon, and green chili if you like it spicy. Blend until smooth. Plate it up with chutney, onions, and fresh coriander. Look at how flaky and meaty this tandoori fish is. Dip it in chutney and enjoy.